Hi, I would like to show you how you can use color and transparency in App Inventor. I would like to make an app here called Mathematics, and in the main screen here I would like to have a background image. So I upload my background image here. I've made a background image with black background and white text. So this is mathematics symbols and some numbers. And I would also make a headline here called mathematics. So in this new version of App Inventor you are able to make horizontal arrangements and layouts general with background color and image. This is new, so this is a nice feature that the people at MIT have made possible for us now. So thank you, it's great, love you. Here in this horizontal arrangement I would like to put a label, and I center the content in the layout here. So I make my label white so I can see the text here, and I make the font size 24 and I call it Mathematics. Okay, and first thing first, and then I would like to have 4 buttons below this, and I make them some strange color here. I just pick some color, blue, and I would like to make the color change and transparency change in the block editor afterwards. So this one I call Add, and I make the width and height fill parent. So when I have all my elements here, I make the text color white. When I have all my elements, they all take the even space in the height. So this one I call subtract. I make the color green. And text color white, and height and width fill parent. And font size 24. So I just pause the video. Okay, now I've made my 4 buttons here, add, subtract, multiply and divide, and given them some standard colors from background color here. And now before you go into the block editor you have to rename your buttons so you can reference them in the block editor. So I call this add, subtract, divide, no, multiply. Don't know why I'm writing big letters here. Okay, now I would like to go in the block editor, and I start to make a global variable that I called alpha, and I set this to a number of 230. The alpha value goes from 0 to 250. 255 in where 0 is totally transparent and 255 is not transparent, also called opaque. So when the screen initializes here, I would like to set up my colors. So I make a procedure called setup, and I call this procedure whenever the app initializes. And in this I would like to set the color of my layouts and buttons. So I will first take my horizontal arrangement here, and I would like to set the background color to color with alpha. So I make a new procedure with a result here, which I call make color with alpha. And yes, I would like to have an input, and this input is my color. So here, when I call this procedure here, call make color with alpha, I put in the color I would like. So here I can show you how you can get access to more colors in App Inventor. As you see in the designer, you only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 colors here. But here in the block editor, if you click this one, you now have 70 colors to pick from. So I'll pick my black color as the one I would like to use for my headline here. And what I would like to do here is make a new color with alpha. So I go into color here, and I have a color here. So I make a color from the color I pick or I put in as a parameter in my procedure here. So in this color group here, you also have this option to split a color, and if you take the base color here and split the color, you get the values for red, green, blue, and alpha. So I can take this, you get this as a list. So I can take this I should use this. I just take these values out here, red, green, and blue. And now the magic trick is to make a fourth element here, which will be our alpha value. So I split my color and I take the first value in this list. So from my list here, I get the index 1 from this list, and I just write 1 here. I can't do that. Take a number here. So this is the red value from this color, and I duplicate this 2 times, and I take the second color, red, green. This is the green value, and this is the blue value. And then I would like to have my alpha, and it's this one here, which I specify here in the initialize. So I take this, and whatever value I write in this alpha will take the alpha value, make the alpha value. So I return a color of black with the alpha value of 230. And now I can make the same trick with my buttons here. I should not have this. I need to pick my buttons here and set the background color of my buttons to the value I would like here. So I pick a blue here. I like this blue here. And now I can copy this 4 times. I pick button 2, button 3 and button 4 here. And I pick a green value here. I like this one. And a cyan value, I like this one. And orange, this one. So now we are able to test our layout. So I start the emulator here and just pause the video. Okay, now the emulator has started, and you can see here I have a transparent layout where when I click the images I can see they are interacting with me, and I can see the background underneath here. So if as a test, you can see here if I go into the block editor and change this to this value, I change it to 0, my layout should be totally transparent when I update. So you can update the layout by changing something in the designer here. So just see here if now you can see my buttons are totally transparent, so this is not great. So I can't see the buttons are interacting here, but and if you put 255, you get the layout as you normally would have with no alpha values. So this procedure I've made here, make color with alpha, you can use to make your own. Now you can see this is the normal layout we get in App Inventor if we're not working with transparency. So a value around 230 I found is great to make the transparency not too heavy, and this is a nice layout, I think. So hope this can help you and inspire you to make some layouts with transparency. Thank you.